Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about how to keep courgettes for seed from one year to another. And the important thing is that courgettes needs to be a heirloom variety, not a hybrid. For example, not an F1 or etc. F2. Those are all hybrids. So we need to find a heirloom variety. Here, this is a variety which is passed from one grandparent to a son, so on. And this is an old variety. Here, as we can see, the courgette is already growing a substantial size, and usually when we let it grow, usually one or two courgettes will develop, the other ones will dry out, as you can see. We have a few which grew up and fell away, and this is normal. We let it grow a lot, it will start to resemble a pumpkin. In fact, they are related, of the same family, and it will usually take a whiter or yellowish color. In our country we call it a winter pumpkin. And this, when it changes colors and turns yellow, we cut it out and we store it in a cool place, away from rain, so it won't rot away, and it can store a long time. Now, to collect the seeds, we just need to open it after the storing time, and we can also eat the pulp in the same way we eat a pumpkin. We can even cook it in a soup or with some potatoes. So we'll cut it open, collect the seeds, wash them, rinse them from any small pulps so it won't rot away, and put them to dry the seeds. The pulp will be cooked as any pumpkin or butternut squash. Next week our video will be about a type of rope we use to tie branches and trees. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.